Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets eligible guests who are registered for disability access servers request attraction return times directly from their phone. Once you have entered the park, you can select an eligible attraction, receive a return time based on the current standby wait, and enjoy other experiences until it's time to ride. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to book a DAS return time in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for eligible guests using disability access service during their Disneyland visit. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, of course, and open the sign into your Disney account. Now you are ready to manage your DAS return times. So open the disability access server section, like inside the app, tap the menu or the three line at the bottom of the screen here, select disability access service. So you have to find it in these options here. You have many options, so you have to find disability access service. Okay, after that you have to tap it. So then you will see the DAS attraction selection tool once you have entered the park. Okay, and then select an attraction, like choose the attraction you would like to experience, browse the list of eligible attractions, tap your preferred attraction, review this estimated return time. So the return time is generally comparable to the current standby wait. Okay, confirm your return time. Next, confirm your attraction selection, wait for the app to assign your DAS return time. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.